Hello everyone, welcome to the yet another episode of Singly Linked List with Python Programming. In this episode, we are going to explore how to write a routine that is going to check if our linked list is a palindrome thing. Okay, so now let me explain you the concept of palindrome. So in case you haven't heard of that word or terminology, palindrome, okay, P-A-L-I-N-D-R-O-M-E. I hope that I am getting the spelling correct. English is not my first language. So we are going to say wow. Now, if you are going to read it from the beginning, W-O-W. And if you are going to read it from the end, that is also going to be same, W-O-W. Now, can you think of any other word like that? One is ma'am, mom, dad, all the relations, and pop, and let us go for bigger words, madam, R-A-D-A-R. These are palindrome strings. We can even have palindrome numbers, 1, 0, 1, and this is a binary number. We can also say 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And this is also a palindrome number, and we can even have a decimal number as a palindrome thing, 303. That is a palindrome number. So now we can check if the contents of our entire linked lists are palindrome, and we are going to write a procedure for it, and it is going to be the independent of that linked list. We are going to write it outside the definition of linked list. So I won't have to re-execute the entire cell containing that code of linked list. We are just going to write the fresh code. Okay, so def is palindrome is P-A-L-I-N-D-R-O-M-E. We have to be very, very careful when we type in, because if we commit any spelling mistake, it becomes a syntax error here in the programming environment. Now we are going to have a slow pointer or a temp pointer. Slow equals to head. Now let us declare a stack. So in case you want to learn more about stack, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I have uploaded a lot of stuff related to all these data structures. Is palindrome true? And while slow, that's it. While slow is not none. So is not none, it is checking it implicitly. We don't have to explicitly say that. We can even explicitly say that. Okay, while slow is not none, but that is not needed. We are going to write it in a Pythonic way, and that is cool. Stack dot append slow dot data. So we are going to keep on adding the data to that stack in every iteration, and slow equals to slow dot next. Okay, slow equals to slow dot next. So here we are incrementing it. So we are basically iterating through the linked list, and again iterate over the linked list while head. So let me scroll down. Okay, I equals to stack dot pop if head dot data equals to I is palin equals to true, else is palin equals to false. And if I'm going to execute this, it will actually check for the head. As long as head is there, as long as head is not none, it is going to keep on popping the item from the stack. And if head dot data equals to I, okay, so if the data of that head node equals to I, then it is palindrome equals to true, and otherwise it is going to set it to false. So basically we are traversing the entire linked list, and we are putting all the members to the stack, and then we are popping all that data again in the next iteration, and we are checking if it is actually equal to the node that we are traversing. So whenever we are pushing the data into the stack, it will go in the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And whenever we are going to pop it, it will go in the order 4, 3, 2, 1. And when that 4, 3, 2, 1 will be checked against in the next iteration, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is the linked list that we are sequentially accessing it. And if that data doesn't match, then it is not palindrome. And if that data is matching, then it is palindrome. So this is very simple logic. Okay. So let us see the next part, what we are supposed to type in. And whenever it is not actually going to find it, that it is not palindrome, we are not going to waste our computation by checking the rest of the stuff, and it is going to break. And again, head equals to head dot next. So we could even have taken the temporary variable in this, and I'm going to say return is palindrome, palin. Okay. So this is not Sarah Palin, this is Palin. So I hope that you got the joke. Sarah Palin is a Republican politician who is very famous for her dumb statements. Actually, I'm not supposed to bring in all the politics into this programming part, but I can't help that. Now I'm going to say 1 equals to, or we will just actually keep on adding. We will create a list, and yeah, here it is good actually. I'll just copy this entire stuff and I'll say 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Now we are going to go ahead and print it. List dot print list, and it should actually print the list 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. So this is the linked list. Now this is the palindrome thing, and I'm going to say is palindrome and list dot head. Okay, list dot head, and if I execute this, it is returning me true. Similarly, I will just copy this entire code again, and I will just say here 1, and it is going to print the list again, and this is not a palindrome string, or it is not a palindrome linked list. And if I again try to check for that condition, it is returning me false. So this is how we can work with checking whether a linked list has palindrome data or not. So I hope that you found this episode exciting. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do let me know if you want me to upload some episode on some specific problem that can be solved using linked list, and I will do my best to write code myself and do the same. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I will see you next time.